Hey, how's it going, guys? Rudy Hernandez here. First and foremost, thank you guys for all of the feedback I got on my last video, the physical security fundamentals. Really appreciate you guys. Like I said, any suggestions you guys have, go ahead and put them in the comments or DM me. Really appreciate it. I'm very new to this, but I'm gonna progress as we go along. Any videos you guys would like to see in the future, go ahead and put your ideas or comments below. Other than that, we'll jump right into our next video, which is the 3 most important things when coming to work. This is really a broad topic. It's not very specific to the security industry, but obviously I've kind of tailored it for us, for the people that are in the security industry, because obviously that's what I do for a living. So here it goes, guys. The 3 most important things when coming to work. First and foremost is be prepared. Whether it's your uniform, boots, gear, writing instruments or whatnot, even as silly as it sounds, but gas in your car. The last thing that a supervisor or your relief wants to hear is that you can't make it to work because you don't have gas in your car. That's going to mean 1 or 2 things. Either 1, you're lying, or 2, your attention to detail is lacking. One of the other things is, as silly as this sounds, but if you're an armed officer, don't forget your gun. Over the years, there's been quite a few instances that I've seen a lot of security officers, even some retired reserve or off-duty, cops, arrive to their shift, and when they're gonna go gear up, they're all, I forgot my gun. Don't be that guy. Obviously, if it happens, you get a little bit of leeway, but like I said, make sure you're prepared, which means, do a gear check. Me personally, before I walk out the door or when I'm at the trunk of my car, I'm making sure that I have, boots, uniform, extra batteries, gun ammo, extra ammo, or whatever it is, IFAK, all that good stuff. I do a gear check just before I leave. Lunch, water, as silly as that sounds, because you got to be prepared. Like I said, if you know you're going to work 12, 16-hour day, come prepared. So that would be number 1 for me, is be prepared. Second would be is come to work. Over the years, there have been a few people that I've had to bring this to their attention, chit-chatting, making contact with that front desker or whatnot. That's all good and dandy. But remember, we're here to do a job. Come to work. Obviously we're paid to do a job, we're contracted to do a job, whether the client, employer, or whatever have you, we're there and we have specific duties. If you have to bring it up to, a partner, coworker, or even a supervisor, be tactful about it, but definitely bring it to their attention, because not only will it affect them, but it could possibly affect you. Because like I said, the client may see that as the whole team. Unfortunately, as I've been told in the past, perception is reality. If they see one officer, one supervisor acting a certain way, they're going to go ahead and brand everyone in that category. And it may not be true for every instance, but like I said, we want to avoid that. We want to make sure that we are in our best behavior possible, especially when we're in the public's eye or in the client's eye or whatnot. Which brings me to my 3rd point, which is take the job seriously. Whether this is your main source of income, or whether you're moonlighting as off-duty cop, pay off that Harley or that extra car payment, or if you're a college student, trying to make ends meet or whatnot, take the job seriously. It may be a lot of money, maybe a little bit of money, that's not the important point. The important thing is that you're gaining experience at this position. So look at it that way. Take the job seriously. You're paid to do a job. You're paid here to get experience. And like I said, a lot of people use this as a stepping stone, whether they're looking to go up the corporate ladder within that company or jump into a higher paying position, or even use it as a stepping stone into law enforcement. Like I said, there's a lot of possibilities, but it all starts with your mindset, and take the job seriously. With that being said, guys, those are my 3 most important things when going to work: is be prepared, come to work, and take the job seriously. Other than that, if you guys have any comments or any suggestions, please, as I mentioned before, go ahead and put your comments down there at the bottom. I appreciate you guys. Other than that, stay safe and thank you.
Do you need to get to work or anything?
No, I'm no work today.